Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, we are from SMA Semesta Bilingual Boarding School Semarang. My name is Maharania Nasywa.
And my name is Jelita Cinta, with our project title Potensi Ekstrak Etanolik as Kemopreventif Agen helps inhibition of breast cancer cell proliferation by in vitro test. In a modern era, everything is tenuous and easy to get. This is certainly not good for health, because humans become more lazy to move and carry out productive activities for health. Of course, this is not good if it's to continue, because this can trigger various diseases, one of which is cancer. And cancer treatment currently only use three ways, namely surgery, radiotherapy, and chemotherapy. Apart from being relatively expensive, this treatment also have negative impact after treatment, including hair loss and weakness. So in this case, we make a medicine to prevent and treat cancer that is made from orange seed, because in the orange seed contain limonene, which function to kill cancer cells. This is some news about breast cancer case in Indonesia based on the news above. Breast cancer is a cancer with the highest number of deaths, and according to the Ministry of Health of the Republic Indonesia, cancer is the number 3 dangerous disease in the world that can kill people. That's why we make traditional medicine made from orange seed, which is useful for killing breast cancer cells slowly and preventing it. And we choose orange seed because in orange seed there are three important components that are useful for treatment cancer cells, namely the limonene. The limonene compound help treat and prevent lung cancer, skin cancer, and even breast cancer. And in the limonene there are also furan compound, which is effective in the structure of cancer cells. And then vitamin C, which is useful for maintaining stamina, and flavonoid, repairing their cell and reducing the risk of cancer. In our research, we use maceration and apoptosis method and tested in vitro. This research was conducted in the laboratory of the Sultan Agung University in Semarang, and we used 500,000 saline sample.
And for the maceration process, we collect the rotten citrus from a trader around Pasar Gunung Pati Semarang, and we get 5 kilograms. And then we separate it. We took only the seeds, and then we wash it and we dry it. And after that, we blend it using a blender, and we pour it into a bucket. And we mix it with alcohol, and we leave it for 3 days. And after 3 days, it will become some layers. And we just took the upper layers, which is the green one, and we extract it. And after that, we put it into a capsule with 62.5 milligrams each capsule. And how can we get this number? So as you can see on the table above, our dose is on the third, which is 62.5 milligrams. And it has 59% of T470 or cancer cell alive and 89% of cell fero alive. But if we increase the dose, let's say in 125, yes, it kills more cancer cell, but it also gives a damage with the fero cell. And if we decrease the dose, like in the 31.3 milligrams, it didn't kill much cancer cell. So that's why we choose the third dose. And you can see on the table above, the black line represents the fero cell, the red line represents the cancer cell, and then the green line represents the concentration. And we can see on the third dose, the 62.5 milligrams, it has a really huge decrease on the red line. It means it kills the cancer cell, but it just have a little bit decrease on the fero cell, so it didn't kill much fero cell. But if we increase the dose in the 125, yes, it has a really huge decrease on the cancer cell, and it means it kills more, but it also kills the fero cell. So it means if we choose the right dose, it didn't give a bad effect to the fero cell and kills the cancer cell. So we also give you how our medicine give an effect to the cancer cell under the microscope. So the white dots represent the cancer cell, and in the 1000 milligrams, it has no cancer cell. But this dose is really high to our body, so we couldn't use this. but in the 62.5 milligrams, it still have a little bit of cancer cell. But if the patient consume it regularly, it will kill all of the cancer cell.
That's enough for our presentation. Thank you for attention.
And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.